Have you heard of the Under the Carolina Moon subscription box? Now you have. You want to see what's inside? Me too. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I have the hiccups. I hope one doesn't just pop out, but it might. There we go. And I do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun, fashion, makeup, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So I saw this online. I said, I got to try. I'm going to tell you what the price is. I think there were a couple of different options for this box. I don't exactly remember. I look up so many boxes and I don't know. I pulled the trigger on this one. I thought it was pretty cute. So far, loving the packaging. These are all stickers that they put on, so it's not like the box itself. They've actually had to put these stickers on like that. Hey, baby. I'm gonna be getting in the shower. All right, this thing was taped up tighter than a present under the Christmas tree. Okay, but we're finally in. So let's open her up. We're not finally in. Okay, let's try this again. Open her up. Let's take a little sneak peek inside. This is the August subscription box. This is the, it doesn't say, and it is $79.95 plus $8.95 in taxes. No, in shipping prices. I paid for this on July 9th, and it came in sometime over the last week. I'm filming on the 10th. All right, this says, some kind of wonderful. This month's box is filled with bright colors, happy reminders, and a few little treats to help you feel your best. All right, so it does say that the September subscription box is already available for pre-order. Trust us, you'll want first dibs. Well, let's look at this one first and decide if we do. Right on top, we have some black gel ink pens, but in all kinds of fun colors. I would have thought they'd be all different colors, but it does say that they are valued at $9.95. Very pretty though. I'll enjoy using them. And then we also have some highlighters, and this has the price of $9.95. We have all these different colors, super cute. You can see there. Love the big kind of fat, chunky design of them. There we go. So this is, they do have a shop. So you're seeing the prices that they're selling it for in their shop. All right, so we're already $20 out of that. We'll say 80 because $8.95 was like shipping, but I mean, some of that would have been tax, I think. Then we have some Pacha French Lavender Moisturizing Soap. Ooh, pretty pudding. Smells really nice. This is also $9.95 in their store. Very, very nice. I think you're going to love that. We have a lip butter from TMLL. And this is a $14.95 value. And there's a lip scrub to go with it. Also, this is a $14.95 value. So we're already got $60 back, and there's still more in here. Here's how the lip butter looks. Kind of has a, I can't tell, is that like a, it's like a lavender mint, I feel like. Always love lip scrub. Always, always appreciate lip scrub. It's super cute. It's definitely a mint. It's definitely a mint. Got it much stronger in this one. Then we have two t-shirts. I asked for a size large. I'm typically a medium, but I like to go up because you don't know if it's going to shrink or how it's going to fit. So the first one is this gorgeous blue color. And I don't even know what it says. It says, life is some kind of wonderful. All right, really pretty. Love the colors. And then this one is this melon color. And this is a Southern company. I feel like I could get in trouble for wearing this if people understood, although I don't necessarily mean that they want to be cheeky, but bless your heart. I don't know. I might get in trouble for that at work. I don't know. All right. And there's not a price on these, but they're t-shirts, so they've got to be at least 20 bucks. And this has got their brand right on there. Comfort colors. This also has Under the Carolina Moon. The brand though behind it is Comfort Colors. They feel very soft, heavyweight garment dye. All right. And then last we have this lined notebook. And this is a $18.95 value. It has 175 lined pages, acid-free paper, perforated pages, index tabs, and expandable inner pocket. That's a really nice one. And I'm not opening these because this is all, I might keep the pens myself, but these are definitely going to go to the kid. These might actually be part of her back to school supplies. All right, so I definitely think we got our money back. I definitely feel like we got our money back and then some. I do think there's some really cute stuff in here. I don't necessarily know that I would need every month 1 or 2 t-shirts, but I do think it's a nice little thing to get kind of every now and again. I don't know if it's every month or if it's every other month. If you were trying to build up your t-shirt collection, certainly. But I do like that there is no commitment. You don't have to get it every month. You can decide to go on and purchase another one or not. And do it early though, because they may sell out. It sounds like they may sell out from these boxes. And everything is from their shop. So that's kind of a nice little thing. You know that you're getting like a little boutique box. I like having like the writing supplies in there. But I just know I haven't a chance in the world of keeping all of them. Because that kid will just come by and be like, oh, what's that? I think I want that. So, so I do like to hide some stuff that I get in subscription boxes and give it to her for like Christmas or birthday or whatever. All right. Well, what'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I certainly think it is adorable. Some really great stuff, great quality. I do like that. Yeah, I think it was a pretty nice box. I think I'm pretty pleased with that. And got my money in. All right. Well, let me know in the comments down below any thoughts you have, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.